Alright, let's bring up this forest tool. I got more custom trees on this one than I do the other one. I'll load this one. Let me no, I got Blender running in the background, so I can't really, I don't want to load another Blender. I don't have enough memory to, I'm trying to process that video of these rocks, and it's taking forever. But the forest tool, you got to remember when you make your object in Blender, if you didn't set origin 3D cursor, then set origin object to geometry, I think whatever the top one is, and then move the object to the ground plane, when you go to paint it, it's going to be wherever it's at when you export it, in reference to 0, 0, 0 being like the center, you know, where the ground is, where the horizontal and the vertical and the other plane comes in, right? So when you go to paint it, it's going to be wherever it's at. Now, objects will snap to the ground when you plant them. When you go in your asset browser and you just pick an object, let me pick, let me pick that. Let me pick like this test box. Depending on where it's at, like I purposely made, like I don't even know if I put this video on the thing. I was making several videos I never posted. This was made purposely where it wasn't set like this when I exported it. So when I import it, it's going to be in the ground like this, like that in the ground. It's not going to be where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna try to find something. Like that's on the ground, like it's supposed to be. It's not too far in, not too far out. So if I were to plant those 2x4s, they'd be on the ground. Now you can correct that by, when you go in your forest tool, let me use this box for example, since I know it's not right, it's in the ground too far. Go to mesh, I'll create a new one. Alright, levels, project 3, art, shapes, miscellaneous, what was it, test box, and why I don't see it, test. What the hell was that object called? The easy box. Test, yeah, oh, capital T. See it? It damn, it's particular about them capital, lower, that's what I keep saying, it's particular. If you try to get in the habit of using all lowercase to avoid this. Levels, project 3, art, shapes, miscellaneous, capital T, E, S, E, S. Now what the hell, man? I know damn well that's in there. I guess I don't know. It was right there in my art. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. It's in the wrong place. Brushes, new brush group. I'm not worrying about naming it. New element, and let's pick that test box. Alright, now when I go to plant this box, it's going to put it in the ground. So it doesn't snap to the terrain at all. Now to fix it, this is where you got to go over to your this is where your sink minimum, sink maximum, you'll just have to play with these numbers. Negative is in the air, positive is in the ground, so anything above 0 goes in the ground, anything in the negative goes up in the air. So you would just put them both at the same negative value. So you just have to kind of negative 1.3, negative 1.3. That's closer to the ground. Negative 1.1, negative 1.1. See, that's pretty close. I thought though, didn't they? Yeah, well, shit, they did say snap to terrain in their latest. I remember them saying that. They snap to terrain because they added that in the last patch. Like the last little update, I remember now. How do you snap them to the terrain? Maybe, let's see if we can select them and snap to terrain. I didn't snap shit, did it? I didn't move at all. Oh, you got to paint over them. But all it's going to do, it's going to just put them wherever their 0 point is, which, like I showed you just a second ago, these are all set in the ground. They wasn't made correctly. Now let's pick a tree that is made correctly. It's a big ass tree. Alright. Let's stick it over here. Guess it don't look as big when you're far away. Alright, now let's screw the ground up. Try this, because I made all these so these, when they draw, they're right there on the ground. So now let's try this snap to terrain and see how this works. Have it down, it works.